Ejesiano adena 20 bre Ghana Registered Nurse and Midwife Association omu adwalai efa ade a Ralph ekoye ewo Ridge Hospital ayese okwa sorte nurses na nurse ni ba akokran afa ho apira na ya je na to hospital ehwe no obubuafu ama omu ema aban no 48 hours 2 days as on fanchi Ralph entum enye sapa dia omu do makonde nyina Ghana Registered Nurse and Midwife Association across the country omu nyina omu do makonde be go from omu nko adwuma bim until say ye be chi Ralph atum aha Penyah block media mess was any day mo obe like video no other but subscribe button so back the notification call no latest updates and ba chere wa adwen dia mama e wo comments e mess was obaswa no a video mo for so enya bi ahwe enti eya enu achi Sunday and Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian who pride himself as freedom fighter I say fix the country activist Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian okobowura mu e wo Ridge Hospital Ralph asem nyina say nensa kahai wapra na Ralph say emergency case it was said to me an emergency treatment it occur Ridge Hospital no Ralph moved straight to the emergency ward according to him no just say okwa nurse ni bia attend to him and Ralph ekọ say basa wo ho no mo say only nurse for ekọ press okọ hamos at the end of the day no nurse ni bi kura a prayer in fact basa na okọ say no nurse ni bi a prayer ya admit ebi ekra ewo ho no nurse ni kro na o prayer kra no obechirem ekwan a Ralph esi ba ho no Ralph ebeye
when he came in, he wanted us to leave everybody and attend to him. So we explained to him. Ralph. Okay. We explained to him. And then he was like, he wouldn't sit down. And my in-charge told him to get a card. A hospital card. He said, why should he get a hospital card? Because his name must be in the system. Once his name is tied in the system, it should everything should pop up. And my in-charge said, no, it's not done like that in Ghana. There he was angry because he was told it's not done that. That is not done in Ghana. And he started insulting us. We don't want Ghana to progress. Then he brought out the phone. But initially, I did a pressure dressing for him. In his finger that he said it was bleeding. It had bled. The blood had dried. So I just had to put a gauze on it so that we reassure him. He wasn't happy about it, so he took off the dressing I did for him. Then I approached him and I told him that I've done a dressing for you, so be patient. We have 2 trauma cases and other cases too are there. We want us to leave them. He got angry and he started yes. So he did this to me. And then when he went out, I don't know where the guys came from. Most of the health workers saw them earlier, so they had flee. I didn't see them. And then they, from my back to my chest, and then they were just...
Did they push you? Were you pushed? Or what did they do? What did they do to you?
Yes, I was hit. I don't know if it was a fist, a tap. I can't describe the...
But what happened to your hands?
Raphael, I don't know. Ralph did this to me. He hit me with the phone with the fist. And I even dodged a couple of the fists. They hit me
all over.
But right now I have a dislocation on my shoulder. And some headaches and body pain.
Oh, thank you very much.
And to add up, he was telling us he will follow us to our homes and beat us. And if take one life and...
Oh, he'll take one life. Actually said that?
Yes.
But we are happy to hear that, and I think this is a very unfortunate situation.
Emma, I witness from the Mohammed so Edumanu Sembe Tuja, a quite rough as he be fast be right a hormone.
Or chain of Hokasa, and you know, no more for Sibia or Pacoya card in the crack. Obi, sir, or Fred Cruz. Almost like 25 motorbikes are Obiati, almost like 50 tax. On my back hospital, I bet borrow nurse with a nurse in here. I cannot have no more on there. Any part of a mere man or two, and a petit nurse or barba, also a brono.
Hey, A member watch it. Was it a member watch it?
A member watch it. Ah, Ralph Nekaho. Ralph no quality big kind bono. Baba no. Let's say Ralph no big kind in phone. And the chadia a board in such into no can say such a powerful one. Yabanijiho. So bandage
never born in a brown intia.
A broad intia when not shoulder dislocation crash. When not right shoulder dislocation. There's a
pictures next to mommy. Omo the pictures na to sunti omo a hwe YouTube no mobile be hu the nurse in question no bandage abobo ne nsechi na ahonse de doc can yes doc to asoma me
aha e teacher say ne wo do order syringe mo ne nsa da syringe that just right shoulder no are dislocated and ne nsa no benkum ka no nso no ne wrist area ho nso no ho na Ralph no de ni phone ne nsa akage boye ho no nso abopumbunya no ne ade enti no ma address ho ababa wa say pain o mu no ye rate pain ye access pain me decide say from 0 to 10. 0 means no pain, 10 means the severest form of pain. Me pain no on fat nensansi or say 8 and never doctor for ahwe no mpo 8 means
8 over 10
8 out of 10 the pain assessment, and that's the level out bra and ne kra no a the hospital that can actually do ne kra dey ase na ho ye kakra. So if you have a trauma, Mama Nipa be at the Emrasho on some I had your mope.
Individual no boys na a bowra hono a Ralph from Muntino Munina Bar Hospital Osama.
Pepe, the Umano no. Ralph no from and a matter anybody in Abura Hospital.
Nana Ralph no more the accident victim being a bar one I said on one none in search yet you just said your cano and on the hospital.
Or no such yet you can. Yes, so almost no drug, whatever. So no one no ready if you said you. You know, almost no drug campaign. Almost ban yes, so obidi moto a ball a brandy and of the bar hospital.
Oh, okay. So
you know almost sure no I say the guy was receiving treatment and doctor for can where next question where and a laugh no said no can or also the bar on the chicken can I take a and or the bar. Oh, it was so munyai almost sure no and I'm sure. It is all video no kana I have to do a hokra ya sha ne cast ya sha ne piu piu ka te a branch ne onya de oye na onu to buy no mo ahwe no so just say yenyai Ghana for because onu wadi ka Ghana for ni bi emo ate don no ni ba e jo mo a na se for ni video for na hwe mo ne de o mo emo a yenya mu no e na che o ye Ghana ni e aka nyire fi Burkina Faso ni ba e ti no ye hwe no na ne ho nto no na kokko ye card bra o se nice na ko ye card ma I mean, what kind of entitlement behavior is that? Oh, yet your mom and Nipa be a money or more than accident. Who beside the channel? Yes, but the America to a different. Yes, see, I'm not by 48 hours. Any hospital leadership, no, they should apprehend the guy, they should arrest the guy and his accomplices. Otherwise, we will advise ourselves. And we mean it. But this is not the first time, Obi. This is not the first time.
Yeah.
Young might be. Juma or emergency or illness and or kind somewhere to see or this is the third time one only duty credit on kind and now this is the third time one or be able less or always machine less soon pam come baby. I mean what kind of behavior is that?
Now right after this incident now as a communicate will be asked a issue Ghana Health Service for the communicate about things you might blast rough as a calling for freedom for nurses across the country. It was a Ministry for Health, and also Ministry of Health for the communicate by blasted rough. As I did rough any day, in fact, and try it also like can be pa. Edit there, rough. Emma, not independent be asked air calling for the arrest of rough. Because I in the media and say, oh, because there be rough might be arrested because this guy is fooling too much, or yet too much, or be too much. He has a sort of ya also rough so do I'm a rough it me bo kwase afo no edikoji because ohwe how a rough esiru a hospital ho no mo a he didn't go there alone, he went there with his crew edina adwen be na tachiri according to ensemo mu kan no the eyewitness kan and the nurse nka no prayer kan ya rough didn't go there alone, he went there with some crew edina initial adwen be pa na eta ni trimu a okwakoye ho no man ntino or the crew ekoye what you say. Now, Ghana Registered Nurse and Midwife Association, Penning for ekosra nurse ni na je Ralph assault na say oh omo go chechire na wura ekoka kasada de chire na omo fro no no enom de omo no de sem atudwa. It according to Ghana Registered Nurse and Midwife Association omo chire mo say omo ma aban no up to 48 hours say omo no be chill Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian atum. So when the man found chill Ralph antum dia and omo so do ma konde nyina ebeku from omo nkwa adwuma piem because omo ntimi nkoye adwuma abra enipa da seni CV na betimi ade ni tumi abawura ho abebo nurses and doctors no go free yenya no hwede side omo so entwe sa omo enye ente sa asem na se omo no go kobo nsem abeto aban na say aban na person go so ye adwuma de and omo aban no up to 48 hours aban ntimi bibi na onche Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian entum e ma spend the buy kra no Health Minister Minister Kando so e dey be peace han o makwan say yenche Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian entum because the guy is fooling too much.
So when I visited the place after the closed door meeting and I was walking into my car, then he pulled up in a black saloon car. So he got out of the car and came towards me, myself and then the medical superintendent at Ridge Hospital. So he stretched up to greet us and we exchanged pleasantries, and then at that particular moment, we didn't talk further. And so later, we had to invite him to listen to his side of the story and all that. So that's exactly what happened.
Ralph fully dodo. Na fe comedian eswa trouble colors any other TikTokers. Eso abechiro madwene ewo ho.
Muka se kama oho nene na maji edi. Because we were here, Ralph, last year. I feel cry Mose, also your freedom fighter, more fighter against Galamsey, to move your protest. A road leading to a big hospital in Accra, say he. Ralph, muko blocky road. Ah, some more be uncle Moya Galamsey, and 1 man ebe sibe catcher must say, Nibofu, because I sent him my amuse and a bar at the hospital, almost small blocky road no. I said, the one kwaja Moya show, Mamma Kosha Maya fool, Nama CC road quine. Ralph, ubi wanaka chene say more baby be Ghana han see no. Ne ma use any banu wu ana ede. Ralph, when you say on say 1 year crown pamba, it's only here in Ghana that you can witness this. 1 year crown pamba. And now so we pray say why there you walk hospital na. Or nurses need delays saying alleged work of bonus ni you know. Akwabono. And till date you are working freely. Into GRNMA, one professional will leaders standing on their toes and make sure some members know whatever that they deserve, they get it. Hats off for them. GRNMA, mama, nursing, midwifery, nurses, nursing, edumana, yama kono crampo keke. It's GRNMA, essay, or mama buying 48 hours, 2 days, empa. Someone until Ralph and tomorrow, you will face the consequences. Over alleged assault Ralph. Just say Ghana, it's only here in Ghana. Ralph, hospital, we don't do this in the hospital, such a big hospital. We don't do that there. Watch a camera, creative scenes, what's your videos. Omo would yare da hono mono crampo no. Won't mean protect omo crampo. Videos in there all over trending. No respect for mama yare da hono mono. Obi any more bem. We don't do this at especially hospital. We be the one more here sound mind. We say no. Obi the hospital can pressure come between your band there. We don't do this. And American, it's only here in Ghana. Into no GRNMA. Almost my buying 48 hours. Say I buy until Ralph to over alleged assault I call bonus Nina. Am I? Some move face consequences. And me GRNMA, may I trust them? We also what they did. And we also what they did. To me, minim say GRNMA dear. A month na sin hwehwe ha. Eti aban yo sempa wo. Na Ralph. So we see a car we always talk about karma. Ralph, and now ka tro bi so obi be yare down mako block we say. Just say blocking of roads yeah, especially I have my block road no. E fa solution bi amba. O say mo bebrebe no. Ne ma ami o se ne yare ni ne sabi owu ana ayede. Ralph, now wo de hospital na ye delay wa. Na so wu ana ayede. Hwehwe ma na. Na so bi wu ana ayede. Nti wo so wu a hwehwe nsi o. Ghana for you. he's still working on the number freely. On the number freely. Take a the other way around. So what did you mention us? Na mo dear mama comment section us. Ya no mfo. Mba ye Samuel ni man was. Why, mumra?
Agati asemaba. Ghana midwife and the doctors and the nurses say, "O mama, Ghana police 48 hours. O man kwan kwache Rafa." Chese adi omu be yenos. Omu su denum do betimi aye. Omu fan so mbe jeje omu gloves ne, omu tu segu fom se adwuma no kro omu nkobiem. Ene e ba na sa so na Ghana ye nyina ne ho akere ye. Omu se adi a Jeff ebeye ye no. De be na Jeff Ralph obeye no wa terrify wo mo. Wa be bully wo mo. Wa sorti wo mo. Which me I do agree with them. Because say me video back on wa wonyansa wutie bia no ube hunu say asema mekan it was right. Ghana for nurses we know say do na umejimi eno de no kre wa ko hono mo no me se me wo faase bi 4 days ago Ghana yene ne ko hospital nurse gina phone so ene ne boy airborne komo one ne boy hospital yi ene da hono me sheda mo mamo matwa picture de abreme one ne boy gina phone so airborne komo se wa na yi na ne kon ye ne ya ewa abra akora da ho a wo wu nipa so gina queue mu odi nkomo fon wo be kwete se nurses for nkomo kro mu di kra na it doesn't relate to what is going on in the hospital. And America say almost the rich hospital almost the side of the story about almost say Ralph buy and insane prano or no person here in the first nature will be and no started the day. And what they are saying, you know, any video now would they channel. I am telling you, say, people can say they are right, even though we know Ghana nurses and some now can a bit me 100% right. But we approach in the nyansa be any oko baby sir, next one's a nurses for age mia. Be very calm. Be patient. No kasa as a reasonable person. Uno mo ye ni and then you are recording them. Or record this one and more hunu fe ni wo machi. Because you need to get evidence. Oko hospital crab bobo honomo untimi ntwa picture wa ha untimi take video of nurses or doctors without their permission. And to bet me the phone crab butu okita now record it and some no. Now what's about the Bible and to know Macassa yes and tia. What me and Boa point is a way 1 year and pay better in a casa womb, way 1 year, send away ye. But they will quiet and diana a Jimmy. Debbie America, the guy is very smart, but the approach of stuff on Nyansa Bienim. Oko terrified nurse, put nurses and doctors under pressure to work. How do you I didn't bear the with him? Says almost all man to the Munko Jumabim. Enti Ghana police na de da hono no monte ya me ka kire mo me de me so nkra me ko mumu arrivederci
Obi. Oko ye no nka yenyan ye hwe no yenyan obi ade ne ye mehwe so ukita yi ukita protocol.
To you as my viewership, must Ralph be arrested? And I say, yenya no fun honey. Ube to achire wa adwene ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Agra.